Welcome to the replay. How are you? Happy Saturday. I am just getting my live going. I should see it pick up soon. Just a waiting here. Here it goes. Okay. How are you guys? Just getting my, nope, didn't pick up the website. I know today is, at this time, it is probably not the best time to have people watching because it is a Saturday afternoon. Everybody's probably busy. Oh, hey Denise, hi Johnny, hi Carl, hi Sherry, hi Marisol, hi Tanya, hi Karen. Thanks for joining, guys. I'd love it if you'd share my video as soon as you come in. Hello, Tanya. Hello, Marisol. Hello, hello. Hi, Diane. Thanks for joining. I am going to be making a lightning quick project today. I'm finally digging out Mother Was Right. I have not used this yet. Hi, Amy. So I'm pretty excited to use this. It's perfect for Mother's Day, that's for sure. I was thinking about, you know, a fun Mother's Day gift. Hi, Tiff. I think what I'll do is add maybe some little paper flowers on this when I am done doing the chalk. I am just writing the words on the back of my transfer, so that way I know which side is the correct side so I can replace it. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Tom. I wanted to, like I said, I have realized I've been getting a lot of new people, new faces coming in, so I just want to show you what Chalk Couture, hi, Danielle, what Chalk Couture is all about. So while I get this ready, I'll leave it up here for a sec so that way you can read all about Chalk Couture. Hi, Tammy. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, guys. Hi, Tiff. And hopefully you guys have had some time to read this. Let's go back to the video now. There it goes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this off the carrier sheet. So this is our silk screen adhesive back reusable transfers. We can reuse these over and over and over again. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel it off the carrier sheet. Now, because this is a larger transfer, what I like to do is peel the carrier sheet from the transfer, not vice versa. The reason I like to do it this way is because then I feel like I have a better grasp on the transfer, so that way it doesn't fold on itself. And on top of that, hi Jess, on top of that, I don't want to stretch the transfer because, as I said, it's a silk screen material. Material can stretch. We don't want that to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and do what is called fuzzing the transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and put the transfer onto a microfiber cloth, okay? And I'm just going to put it down, peel it up, put it down, peel it up, and do this a few times so that way I can get some of the sticky off this because I am going to be putting it onto a painted piece of wood. And with as sticky as the transfers are, it's going to peel all of the paint up if I don't do this. And I obviously don't want to ruin my transfer, nor do I want to ruin my project for that matter. So I'm just going to put it down, peel it up. I think the easiest way for me to do this one is to just put it down and peel at the corners a few times. We're just going to fuzz it a little bit. There we go. Do it a few times down here. How's everybody Saturday? What are you guys up to? What's the weather like in your area? It's sunny today, but really chilly. And I'm here with Colleen. My Call is here with me.
Hello.
Hello. And we are getting things created for an event we have coming up. And it's not an event where I can sell transfers. It has to be a finished project event. So that is what we are doing. Hey, Tammy. So we're going to be doing that this whole day, which is going to be awesome. But I forget where I was going with that. Yeah, it's definitely, it's chilly, and we have oil heat, and we decided, we ran out of oil the other day, and I refused to pay for oil in April. This is ridiculous. So, hi Kelly, how are you? Oh, it's nice. Good to hear. Cloudy and sunny. I see chilly. Is it Shay? Am I saying that right? Shay South? Chilly too, huh? Hi, Debbie. Hi, Jack. Okay, so I think we are fuzzed pretty good here for now, okay? So all I'm going to do is kind of move this to the side. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my transfer and I'm going to place it on top of where I want this on my little sign here that I made. And I'm going to work to get, I'm going to try and make it as even as possible. I mean, I'm going to do my best here. It's an awkward shape for this design here. Now, I'm going to just make sure that I have no bubbles in the silkscreen area. I have a bubble right here, but that's not going to affect anything because there's no transfer, no open transfer around it, so it's not a big deal. So I'm not worried about that. Oh, good. Yay, Shay. Awesome. All right, so the colors I'm going to use today are going to be Lilac and Aquamarine. I've been on a Lilac and Aquamarine kick for a little while, and heck, I'm just going to keep on doing it. So this is our chalk paste. Our chalk paste is water soluble. It goes on wet, dries hard, and can come off with water, which is super fun. But you can also spray it with like a polyurethane spray, and it can make your project permanent. I don't ever make anything permanent, just so you guys know. But then this is, like I said, our chalk paste. So I'm mixing it up to a nice yogurt-like consistency. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Susan. Hi, Dawn. How are you, girl? So we just want it to be, like I said, a nice yogurt-like consistency. So I'm just going to get these all mixed up and ready to go. Now my Aquamarine is not as yogurty-like as I like it. So I'm just adding a little spray of water, just a little bit at a time. Hi, Sylvia. Thanks for joining, ladies. Hi, Lila. How are you? Okay, so we got them ready. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do everything in teal except for the was right. Maybe I'll do was right about. So, oh my God, my mother in the Aquamarine and everything in Aquamarine and was right about in the Lilac. That's what I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to have this all ready to go because I want to move quickly, okay? So let's do the Lilac part first. Oh, I know. Is it Hunter's prom day, Tanya? Oh, I can't wait to see pictures. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and put my chalk paste all across my silk screen area, just using the squeegee to pull the color. And you can put excess on. It's okay because we're going to get the excess and we're going to squeegee it right off anyway to put it right back into our container because we want to save that. We don't ever want to get rid of unused chalk paste because we could use it for a project another time. If you guys watch me, you should see the white. My white has hardly any left in it, but guess what? I can still get projects out of it, so I'm still using it. Okay, so now I'm going to do, oh my God, or OMG. And if my mom is watching this, I know she's laughing. She's doing the Diane cackle because she's probably like, right? I told you. It's probably what my mom is thinking. Okay, now I am going to get this excess off and I'm going to start. Nah, actually, you know, I'm just going to keep on going. I think I'm moving pretty quickly. You don't want to take your time per se. You do want to move pretty swiftly because the chalk paste will dry. So keep on moving. There's the excess. I was gonna say, I know I have a ton on my squeegee. Why is it not coming off? It's on there. Get all my lines. I don't want to have any lines when we pull this up. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and peel and reveal. Oops, there's some lines in there. There we go. Okay, we're going to go ahead and peel and reveal now. Now we're going to take our time peeling it off because, like I said, I painted this. I don't want to peel my paint off. Take your time peeling down. Don't rush it. Plus, we don't want to stretch the transfer, right? Oh my God, these colors together look so good. Love it. See how easy that was? Now I'm just putting this right into a water bath and calling it a day. Easy peasy. Hi, Karen. Hi, Bobby. How are you? Thanks for joining. Now all I'm going to do is get all my chalk paste off the sides. Okay. And get the squeegees into the water. Sorry, girl. I'll get another one for us. Hi, Elizabeth. How are you? Thanks for joining. See how easy this was?
Oh, that came out good.
Didn't it?
Love the color combo.
I do too. On the black, it really pops.
Oh, yeah.
Really pops. Sorry, girl. Easy peasy. Hi, Leah. How are you? Thanks for joining. Hi, Karen. Okay, closing my chalk paste up. Okay. There we go. So you guys can see everything now in the video. Awesome. Hi, Lisa. How are you? Thanks, Dawn. It's perfect for Mother's Day, isn't it? Perfect Mother's Day gift. And it was super easy. You could even do it on, with painting this little board white, you could have just done it all in white chalk paste and it still would have looked awesome. It really would have. It doesn't take much. And you guys witnessed just how quick and easy it was. Imagine popping out if you have, your mom, your mother-in-law, a grandmom, 1, 2, 3 projects done, and you still have multiple uses with this transfer. And the fun part about this transfer, I always love when they have transfers that have a lot of words, because you could totally use the words from something else into another project, like mother. Imagine like my scrapbooking friends, if you're doing a layout about your mom, how about mother right there? You know what I mean? Mother and everything. You could title that. You can make this a title for a scrapbook page. So this transfer, there's so many different uses. Think of putting it on. Thank you, Lisa. Thanks, Tanya. Hi, Rianne. How are you? Think of even putting this on a bag, like a canvas bag to give to your mom. Wouldn't you love that? It's so easy. Hey, Kathleen. How are you? Hi. Tell Gabriella I said hello. This is just a super awesome, super fast. I mean, what did it take me? 5 minutes to do this? Not even. The thing that took the longest, I think, was the fuzzing of the transfer. But it's done. It's ready to go. And as I was saying earlier, I think I was going to put maybe some paper flowers on here. I'm not putting anything on. It's perfect just the way it is. And it'll stand up. It's like a stand-up box, so you can give it to your mom to display. You can even hang it up on the wall for her. You could do tons of things. So I thank you so much for watching. And if you are watching and you say, oh my goodness, I can't believe how quick and easy that was, and I think I want to grab that and maybe test it out, why don't you comment me down below and I'll be happy to add you into my VIP group. Where I post lots of specials and there's always project ideas and bundles. And if you're looking at this and you say, you know what, I think I would really love to do that, why don't you comment join down below and I will happily message you the link to my opportunity group where I have an entire video that tells you everything you need to know about Chalk Couture before you join my team. So definitely take that into consideration. Comment below if you're interested. Hi Barb, how are you? And I guess that's really about it. I hope you guys have a fabulous Saturday. I wanted to just come in and pop this in there. I have to confess, I've not done any chalk paste paint projects. I'm going to purchase something for a gift. Oh, awesome, Dawn. I would love it if you would. My website is the pinned post. If you're interested in checking out my online store, I shall. This is a sweet transfer. Isn't it, Kathleen? It's awesome. And thank you for telling her I said hello. So I will let you guys go. Enjoy your Saturday. Hope it's a nice day around wherever you are. And I will be back tomorrow with another project. But hold on. P.S. I might say something since Kyle's here. Are we going to do another live with Jess and Kyle later on?
Oh, we could certainly do that.
All right. Well, if you are interested, Colleen and I have a, what's our group called? Shenanigans?
Shenanigans Adults Only.
Shenanigans Adults Only. If you're interested in joining our group, comment below and I will make sure we get you added into that group. And like I said, we'll do a fun project, a fun themed project tonight, since we're going to be hanging out. So maybe we'll bring in a guest. We shall see. Hi, Regina. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day and I will talk with you later. Bye.